Hello, welcome to Fmod in 2 minutes, the series for beginners in game audio implementation. Today we're talking about volume ducking. Now, this is a very common technique. It's very widely used in video games to make space for sound effects. For instance, here I have a musical loop. And then in another event, I have a UI sound. And the scenario is that I want to hear this UI sound a little bit more clearly as it's playing over the music. So what we're going to do is set up a sidechain so that this sound triggers a subtle volume drop in the music so that we can hear it more clearly. Now, once we've set up our events, we need to go into the mixer. Here, as you can see, I've searched for both of the events. You can see that both of my events are in separate groups. The music under the music group up here, and we've got the sound effect, the UI, under a sound effect group. Very importantly, when we're adding compressors for sidechaining, it has to be added to a group containing the event in question, not to the event as it won't show up. So, to the music, we want this to duck in volume, so we're going to add the compressor to this one, and then go to our sound effect group and add sidechain. And down here you can see that when I add sidechain, it already has the compressor in question available, which means it will connect it straight away. Really handy feature. So I'm going to select that. Now we're going to open the sandbox. And I've set up an event with the music and the UI sound. And we're going to test it. So let's lower the threshold. So you can hear it already having a ducking effect. It's quite strong. You could make it subtler if you wished. And you can see the amount of volume that's being ducked by the compressor here. So there you have it. That's how the sidechain works. Now just make sure that it works for the situation that you're using it in, and you should be good to go.